In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn with Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Integrating these two powerful platforms can streamline your workflow and help you stay connected with your network. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're in, look for the specific board you want to connect with LinkedIn. Every board holds different projects, so be sure you're selecting the right one that fits your needs. Next, look to the top right of your board interface. You will see a button labeled Integrate. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Integration Center where all your integration options are located. In the Integration Center, you'll find a search bar. Type in LinkedIn and hit Enter. When LinkedIn appears in the drop-down, select it. This will take you to a selection of automation recipes designed specifically for LinkedIn. Now, you'll need to choose an automation recipe that best fits your workflow. One common option is set to trigger when a date arrives. This allows you to automatically create and share a post on LinkedIn when a specific deadline is reached. Another option you may find useful is the recipe that triggers when the status of a task changes. With this, you can automatically share an update on LinkedIn whenever a task moves from working on it to done. These automations can really save you time by ensuring your LinkedIn updates are timely and relevant. Once you've selected a recipe that suits your needs, the next step involves connecting your LinkedIn account. When you click on the Connect button, a window will pop up, prompting you to enter your LinkedIn login credentials. This will include your email address and password. Be sure to enter these details carefully. After you enter your credentials, you'll need to authorize and configure the connection. This step grants Monday.com the necessary permissions to access your LinkedIn account. Once you've granted access, you can start mapping the fields from your Monday.com board directly to the LinkedIn post fields. This might include the post content or any images you want to share. It's important to take your time in this step to ensure that everything is set up according to your preferences. Finally, to complete the integration, click on the Add to Board button. This finalizes the process and activates your chosen automation. You should now have LinkedIn seamlessly integrated with Monday.com. By integrating LinkedIn with Monday.com, you're taking a significant step toward a more efficient workflow. You can now focus more on your tasks without worrying about manually keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date. Remember, the integration can streamline your updates and help keep your followers informed about your accomplishments and project statuses. Thank you for watching and enjoy making the most out of these two incredible tools.